Hi there. Today we're bringing Baba Chops to life with markers. Before the magic begins, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. If you love what we create, consider joining our membership to keep the creativity flowing. We begin by sketching Baba Chop's mouth. Adding her big bucked teeth, plus those curious eyes. Let's complete the face with cheek lines. Her woolly head and ears start to take shape around the face. Adding the fluffy wool details for her head. Drawing the skull pendant just below her face and shaping the torso. Baba Chop's full body takes form, showing her seated pose and unique style. The artwork is finished with her signature dark gray wool and white face.